Thousands of years ago, many archaeologists discovered this insane ability that our brains have to bring things about which currently we're not about. The law of attraction. So what the heck is it? Like attracts like. So the law of attraction states that what energy you put out, you get back to you. Basically like karma. What you do comes back to you, if that makes sense.
Does it work? Is it a hoax? Is it fake? Does it unlock the secrets that have been kept from us for thousands of years?
Yes, actually, it does work. It's always working. How do you apply it? Choose what it is you want. Be thankful for what you have. Use an incantation, Avada Kedavra. Let go of your doubt and fear. What do you need for it to work? A positive mindset and do something.